Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Godly. Today I'm going to show you how to download EzGt 2.2, which allows you to mod your gamer tag on Xbox Live. First, you're going to open up your web browser. Then you're going to go to the link I have posted in the description and type the 4 letters. And wait for it. Then click regular download. Wait for it to completely download. May take a while depending on your computer. Alright, now if you don't have WinRAR, I'm gonna have another video showing you how to get WinRAR and how to install it. But right now you want to extract to desktop, and you can exit out of that and then exit out of the web browser if you want. Now it comes with Xport360 and the EzGt. Now you just want to open them and extract them to a file. Just make a new folder, call it EzGt 2.2, and put all the files in it. Then create a shortcut and put it to the desktop. Then if you want to extract Xport360 and have that, if you already don't, then you want to go here, extract it to the desktop, exit out of that, and then click set up Xport360. Click next, and then click next, and then have that checked, and then click next, and then click install. Then click finished, and you have Xport360. And after that, you have EzGt 2.2 shortcut, and you have EzGt 2.2 right here. And I'll show you how to use EzGt 2.2 later, or in my next video. This is Mr. Godly, and remember to subscribe. That's it.